Hello everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Audible? Screen
Yes,
is
sir.
clear? Yes, screen is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Actually, for the part test 1, we have syllabus like units and dimensions, measurements and errors, and vernier calipers and screw gauge, kinematics, motion in a plane and motion in a straight line, and Newton's laws of motion and work power energy, right? Part test 1. So now I will discuss about the units and dimensions. Okay, today I will go for the units and dimensions. Right. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, units and dimensions. Let us go for the units and dimensions. Let us take one advanced level question and we'll try to solve that question. Suppose we have a pressure depends on a distance. Please note down this question. This is a advanced level question. Or advanced or AIMS level question. Right. The question is pressure depends on distance. Pressure depends on distance. So equation given as pressure P is equal to alpha by beta exponential minus alpha z by k theta. So this is the question where alpha beta are constants. Alpha beta are constants. Alpha comma beta constants. Z is distance. So here this Z is distance. And K is Boltzmann constant. K is Boltzmann constant. K is Boltzmann constant. Theta is temperature. Theta is temperature. So find the dimensions of beta. Find the dimensions of beta. So how you define the dimensions of beta? What is the dimensions of beta? This is the question. Find the dimensions of beta. Any idea? Anyone? Any idea? Anyone? Anyone can solve this? So here pressure depends on the distance. So this is the capital P is the pressure and Z is the distance. We have to find the beta value, dimensions of beta. So any idea? Anyone? Anyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it L square the answer?
Is it L square the answer? How L square?
Sir, exponential power lo it's supposed to be constant. So from the
Yes.
exponential power is supposed to be constant. So alpha will be alpha's dimensions will be k theta by z.
No, exponential. Yes, what you said is exponential minus alpha z by k theta has no units, no dimension formula. right?
Yes, sir.
So that means alpha z by k theta is equal to 1. You can write as 1, right?
Yes, sir.
In that what we have to find is alpha, right? So k theta by z. Okay, what is k here? What is k? What is k? Come on, respond. K is Boltzmann constant. So what is the dimension formula for Boltzmann constant?
ml square t power minus 2 k power minus 1.
First, tell me the formula for Boltzmann constant. Energy by temperature, right? Okay. What is Boltzmann constant? Energy by temperature. What is the dimension formula now? Energy. What is the dimension formula for energy?
m1 L square t power minus 2.
M L square t power minus 2. This is, of course, temperature is K, right?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Varshit is in lobby itself.
What?
Varshit is in the lobby itself.
Shit, 1 second. See, I am not the host. So just I am also a participant. 1 second, wait. Varshit. Right. Right. Okay. So now, what is the dimension formula for K? Dimension formula for K is dimensional formula for K we have here. Alpha is equal to K is M L square e power minus 2 by dimension formula for temperature is K. Of course, we have for theta, of course, it is also again K, and Z is distance, that is L. Now, up to this, any doubt, guys? For alpha, I'm finding first alpha. Alpha dimension formulas, just cancel these two, and you can cancel these two. So you have dimension formula is M, L, and T power minus 2. Is it clear, everyone? What is the dimension formula for alpha? ML T power minus 2. If any doubt, please. Please respond if any doubt. If any doubt, please respond. Just I am finding the dimension formula for alpha. If you want to find the dimension formula for alpha, you just consider k theta by z. Because here exponential has no dimensional formula. We have a rule, exponential has no dimension formula, logarithms have no dimension formula, trigonometric functions have no dimension formula, constants having no dimension formula. These are some of the limitations of the dimension formula. So based on the limitations of the dimension formula, I am considering this exponential function has no dimension formula. In that alpha z by k theta is equal to 1. Now that alpha is equal to k theta by z. So alpha is equal to, k is Boltzmann constant. For that Boltzmann constant, the dimension formula is ml square t power minus 2 by where k is the temperature, dimension formula for temperature. So if I substitute, I got alpha is equal to ml t power minus 2, right? Now, this alpha you substitute here. Here you can substitute alpha, this alpha. So this pressure is equal to what? Pressure is equal to what you can write as pressure. It is a force per unit area. Pressure is equal to alpha by beta. So that implies once you know the pressure, you can find the beta dimension. Already you know dimension formula for alpha. Dimension formula for alpha is, so you can write this beta is equal to, you can write this beta is equal to alpha by pressure. So beta is equal to alpha by pressure. So dimension formula for pressure. Pressure is equal to what you can write as force per unit area. So this ml t power minus 2 is force, and this is L square. So what you can write as m L power minus 1 t power minus 2. So already you have m L t power minus 2 for alpha, and m L power minus 1 and T power minus 2 for beta, right? No, sorry, this pressure. So this cancel T power minus 2. So this one cancel and m cancel. So answer is L square. Who said that answer is L square? Someone said that answer is L square. Hello? Dimension formula for beta is m0 L square T0. Guys, any doubt? Please respond. Please respond. Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
No doubt, sir.
Is my voice? Please respond. Everyone should respond. Response is most important. If no doubt, please respond. If you have any doubt, respond immediately. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Vasudev? Vasudev?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Ashraf?
No, sir.
Okay, no doubt. So what are the limitations here? The limitations dimension formula is what? Exponential has no dimensional formula. Logarithms having no dimensional formula. Trigonometric functions have no dimensional formula. Constant have no dimensional formula. Numericals have no dimensional formula. So this is the important question. Please note down. Shall I go for the next question? Shall I go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
See, the next question is, if eta is equal to b by a. Next question. Question number 2. If eta is equal to b by a, sorry, a by b, it is not b by. It is a by b log of bx plus c is dimensionally true. Is dimensionally true. Then eta is the coefficient of viscosity here. What is eta? Eta is coefficient of viscosity and x is distance. X is distance. Then find the dimensions of C. Find the dimensions of C. Find dimension formula for C. Formula for C. Anyone try? Anyone? And also you can find B also. Anyone? Anyone, guys? Please respond. Anyone, please respond. The equation given is eta is equal to a by b log bx plus c is dimensionally true. Eta is the coefficient of viscosity and x is the distance. Find the dimension formula for C. Of course, you can find B also. You can find B also. Okay. So you can write logarithm of bx plus c is dimensionless. I told you that exponential has no dimensional formula. Logarithms has no dimension formula. Trigonometric functions has no dimension formula like sine, cos, no dimensional formula. Constants has no dimensional formula. Numerical has no dimensional formula. These are the limitations of dimension formula. Limitations of dimension formula. You might have studied in your first year. Okay, so log bx plus c is dimensionless, right? So bx plus c is equal to 1. Bx is equal to what? What can write as c is equal to 1 and b is equal to c. Bx is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. Any doubt here, guys? Please let me know any doubt. Bx plus c is equal to 1. So bx is equal to 1 according to principle of homogeneity, and c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1 means it is no dimension. C has no dimensions. Please respond. Any doubt? What about b? B is equal to what you can write as? B is equal to
minus
B is equal to good. That is L power minus 1. Guys, understood everyone? So B is equal to L power minus 1. C has no dimensional formula. And of course, A by B is what? Eta you can write as eta is equal to A by B. So eta is what? You can find A also. Guys, you can find A also. Here we find
ml power minus 2 t power minus 1.
What is dimensional formula for eta? Coefficient of viscosity.
M L power minus 1 t power minus 1.
M L power minus 1 t power
Minus 1, sir.
Is it okay, right? What is the coefficient of viscosity formula? Coefficient of viscosity formula. F is equal to minus eta A into dV by dz. This is the formula. F is equal to viscous force is equal to eta A dV by dz. Okay, right guys? Okay, if you solve this, you got this or not? M L power minus 1 t power minus 2. You got it or not? So F is ml t power minus 2 and dv by dt. Of course, it is dv by dt is nothing but acceleration, right? And this is dv by dz. This is not t. dv by dz. So this is A is meter square. So you solve it. Once if you solve it, you got this one. Ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. If it's right, then you directly substitute here. So m l power minus 1 t power minus 1 is equal to A by B. Already you got as L power minus 1, right? L power minus 1. So A is equal to m L power minus 2 t power minus 1. Is it right? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this question, say, in this question, we are trying to find the dimension formula for A, B, and C. A, B, and C. C is dimensionless. B is, of course, you got this L power minus 1, and A is ML power minus 2, T power minus 1. Hope you understood, guys. Shall I go for the next model, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See this question, the time dependence of a physical quantity. Next question, guys. Please note down this question. The time dependence of a physical quantity. Okay. Physical quantity. Time dependence of a physical quantity P is given by equation P is equal to P naught e power minus alpha t square, where alpha is constant, t is time. The constant alpha is where Here alpha is constant. Alpha constant and t is time. T is time. Then find the value of alpha, dimension formula for alpha. Dimension formula for alpha. Can anyone type? Simple question, easy question.
T power minus 2.
Then ఎవరండి? Who is that? So as usual, you know guys, e power minus alpha t square is dimensionless, right? Dimensionless. So alpha t square is equal to 1. So alpha is equal to 1 by t square. So this you can write as 1 by second square. Of course, t power minus 2. T power minus 2. This is the answer. Alpha dimension formula is alpha is equal to m0 t power minus 2 L0. This is the solution. Any doubt, guys? Please. Please, any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall I go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Going for the next question. The position of a particle at time t is given by. See this question. The position of a particle at the time t. At time t is given by equation. Is given by equation x of t. Equation is x of t is equal to v naught by a and 1 minus e power at. V naught is equal to constant and a is greater than 0. V naught is constant, a is greater than 0. Dimensions of V naught and a. Find the dimensions of dimensional formula for V naught comma a. Anyone? Anyone? Find the dimension formula for V naught and a.
Sir, is V naught equal to t power minus 1 L?
V naught is equal to t power
Minus 1 L.
What about a naught? A.
A is t power minus 1.
Yeah, good. So here the first solution, simple. You know, as usual, e power at is dimensionless, right? So a2 is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 by t, that is t power minus 1. You got this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So now what about V naught? So x of t is equal to V naught by a. X is the distance. Position of the particle is distance. And t is time. Of course, V naught is equal to x of t into a. So V naught is equal to x, you know what is the distance? Distance is measured in L. And of course, a is measured in t power minus 1 is t. So L by t, you know guys, it is a velocity. L by t is velocity. So the answer is, the first one answer is, for A, the answer is, m0, L0, t power minus 1. For V0, the answer is m0, L, t power minus 1. Guys, hope you understood this. Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Hope you understood this model. So all are similar kind of, see, all are similar kind of models. All are previous important questions, mains and advanced level. Aims point of view, these questions are most important, please guys. So one thing you have to remember here is the limitations of the dimensional formula. What are the limitations of the dimensional formula? Was there first one? First limitation of dimensional formula was there. Was there?
The dimensions of log and trigonometric functions and exponential function is dimensionless.
Dimensionless. Logarithms, exponential, trigonometric functions, okay, they are dimensionless. So based on that concept only, we are solving all these things, right? Okay. Now I will give you some assignment questions. So please try to solve those questions. Okay. I'm giving assignment questions. So the first assignment question is, please note down these questions. Please take down these questions. In a book, the answer for a particular question is expressed as. In a book, the answer for a particular question is expressed as. Please take these questions as an assignment. In your book, the answer for a particular question is expressed as, the equation is given as B is equal to MA by K, bracket open, whole root 1 plus 2KL by MA. Here M is mass, M mass, A acceleration, L length, What is, we have to find here B. B is equal to what? Dimension formula for B is what? Is the question is clear, everyone? Is the question is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in a book, the answer for a particular question is expressed as B is equal to MA by K, bracket open, root over 1 plus 2K L by MA. M is mass, A is acceleration, and L in length. Then find B, dimension formula for B. Hope you understood this question, everyone. Right, guys? Okay. One, please respond. Please respond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Good. Next question is. Next question. I hope everyone knows the Van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation, you know. So what is Van der Waals equation? Vamsi, not Vamsi. Varshit. Varshit is there. Varshit.
No, sir, he is not in the class.
Alaf is not there. There, Alaf. Kaushik, what is Van der Waals equation? Chemistry, you might have studied that Van der Waals equation. So take this question. P plus A by V square, okay, into V minus B is equal to nRT. This is the equation. Find the dimension formula for A and B and find the ratio of B by A. This is the question. Find the dimension formula for A and B and the ratio of B by A. Hope you understood these questions, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So already time is less than 1 minute.